My name is Ro, and today I'm going to teach you how I make my version of a gelato espresso martini. A couple of things you will need for this recipe is a cocktail shaker, some coffee beans for garnish, it's up to you, a cute pretty glass, your mini espresso martini in a can. Yes, if you thought I was about to pull out all these bottles and make it from scratch, you thought wrong. And some gelato ice cream. I like this version because it comes with chocolate chips too to give a little more pizzazz. So first things first is I did let my gelato ice cream sit out for a while. You do not want it frozen or else it will be hard for you to be able to shake it in your shaker. So I'm taking my ice cream scooper, and I like to take 2 big scoops of this ice cream. So I like my gelato espresso martini to be a little bit on the creamier side. When I don't have the option to get the gelato espresso martini, I usually always get Bailey's cream in my espresso martini just to get it nice and sweet. Now that you scooped your ice cream into your cocktail shaker, you're gonna take your cocktail spoon and mix it around really, really good. You want it to almost be kind of like a melted milkshake. See? Not too runny and not too thick. So now that I got my ice cream nice and creamy, I'm gonna go ahead and shake up my espresso martini in a can and pour it into the cocktail shaker. These little cans, they're really strong. I thought the first time I had it, the cocktail would not be so strong, but it's a little in the back of your neck, okay? Okay, so now we have our espresso martini already pre-made cocktail in there. Now you're gonna get your crushed ice. And you don't wanna get too much ice because it may cause it to get a little like more frozen in the cocktail shaker. Now for the fun part. I like to shake it for a long time because I try to go for that foam that can come out of the shaker if you do shake it hard enough. But sometimes I'm able to get the foam and sometimes I'm not. I am not no bartender. This is just me getting creative. I'm at home sometimes. I'm like, I'm craving this cocktail from a certain restaurant. I would literally Google and look up the easiest way to make the drink, and here we are. And it just so happened that the gelato espresso martini is currently one of my absolute favorite drinks. Okay, now that we've given it a nice little shake, as you can see, the top is like frozen. My hands are freezing too, by the way, you guys. Like freezing. It's about to be so good. So now the fun part. Watching your drink come to life. Ooh. That looks so good. No foam. But I'll try again for next time. But it looks so good. And now I'm gonna add my garnish. So freaking cute. Cheers to the first sip. Amazing. I hope these steps were pretty easy. Like I said, it was only 3 easy steps. Nothing crazy, no measuring. All you need is an ice cream scooper, the ice cream, an espresso martini in a can, and a good cocktail shaker. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment below if you loved it. All of the ingredients will be listed in my description. Thank you for watching.